let's talk about the relationship between the roots of the equation and the coefficient of the equation. So suppose ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0 is a quadratic equation, okay, then here the coefficients are a, b and c, and the formula of finding the root. So roots can be, I mean to say value of x, okay, it will be minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. As I told you that a quadratic equation always have two roots. So there are two roots. Suppose they are alpha and beta. Alpha and beta. So alpha can be taken as minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. If I have taken plus here, then it will be minus here, minus b minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Correct? Look at these two. There is a only difference in between plus here and minus here. So what will be the sum of roots, which is alpha plus beta? Sum of roots will be alpha plus beta, means I have to add these two. So it will be minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a plus minus b minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So 2a can be taken LCM. So it will be minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac, and this will be minus b minus root over b square minus 4ac. So we can cancel these two. So what I will get? Minus b, so it will be minus 2b by 2a. So 2 cancel. So what is the final result I got? Minus b by a. And this is the formula for alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, which is called the sum of the roots. And let's talk about product of root. This means I'm going to find it out alpha into beta. See, alpha into beta, if I multiply, so 2a into 2a, in the downward it is 4a square, correct? And upside it is minus b plus this one, it is minus b minus this one. If I take minus b as single term, so it will be a plus b and a minus b. And I'm multiplying them, so what will be the result? The result will be a squared minus b square, correct? Okay, so this can be taken as b square minus, see, this root over and square will cancel out and this negative will go in, so both the sign will change. So minus b square plus 4ac by 4a square. So b square off, it will be 4ac by 4a square. 4 cancel, a and square cancel, c by a. So can I say that alpha into beta equals to c by a? If I got to know alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, c by a, you can check some answer using this also. Like suppose I'm taking the first question which I have taken earlier, minus 7x plus 12 equal to 0, and I got here x equals to 3 and x equals to 4. This means I can say alpha equals to 3 and beta equals to 4, correct? So what is the value of alpha plus beta? Tell me. Alpha plus beta is 7 and alpha into beta is how much? 12, correct? Check it out. Alpha plus beta, if I'll apply this formula, that is minus b by a, and minus b by a is how much? Minus 7 by 1, so it is plus 7, which is matching with this one, so it is correct. Am I right? Similarly, you can take down alpha into beta. So it will be C by A. So it will be C by A. Look at this, alpha into beta C by A. C is how much here? 12, and A is how much? 1. So it is 12. Check it out. Alpha into beta is 12. This is also matching with my answer. This means my answers are correct. In this way, you can check it out. Either your answer is correct or not. If ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0 is a quadratic equation and it having two roots alpha and beta, right? Then we say that alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a and alpha into beta is equals to c by a, where alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation. Now see what I can do. If I'll divide it by a both sides, if I'll do this, what will happen? If I'll divide it by a both sides, it will become x squared plus b by ax plus c by a equals to 0. But see, b by a minus b by a equal to alpha plus beta. So can I write it down like this? X square plus, instead of this plus, I'm writing minus and minus b by a into x plus c by a equal to 0. So it will be x square minus, and minus b by a is alpha plus beta. So can I say alpha plus beta into x plus c by a mean alpha into beta equal to 0. And this is the quadratic equation if alpha and beta is known. So suppose there is a question which is saying if one of the zeros of a quadratic equation is, suppose there is a question where the roots are given. Suppose roots are 3 and another is 1 by 2, and they are asking you find the quadratic equation. This means actually the answer is given and I'm finding the question. So what you can do in an easier way is that you can apply alpha equal to 3 and beta equals to half. So alpha plus beta equals to 3 plus half, which is 7 by 2, and alpha into beta equals to 3 into half, so it is 3 by 2. And you can apply this formula directly. So quadratic equation will be x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equals to 0, which is x square minus alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is how much? 7 by 2. 7 by 2 into x plus alpha into beta is 3 by 2 equals to 0. You can take down LCM or multiply it by 2 both sides. That will be more easier. It will be 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. And this is the required quadratic equation. This means you can find the question from the answer. And this is the way you can develop the